Hey guys, Kylie here again, and today we're going to make a wonderful fruit smoothie. So what we're going to add into it today is I've got here two chopped up apples. Now I've just chopped them up and cut the core out of them so they're all good to go. One chopped up orange and peeled. 3 kiwi fruit, which I have peeled also, taken the skin off and cut up. Also I've got in here 2 little slices of ginger, which we're going to add in for a bit of flavour, and also 1 carrot that I've chopped up as well, just to make it easier in the blender, but I have left the skin on because the skin is very, very good for us. So what we're going to do is start also 1 cup of water. We're going to put that in first, and I'm actually going to put the carrots in first because you want the carrots to turn into a nice carrot juice before you put all the other stuff in. So, and what I would do is I would just pulse this because they're not the easiest things to mush up. So here we go, pulse away. Good, so once that's all done and turned into liquid, we're going to add the rest of the stuff. So in goes the apples. Beautiful. And I'm just going to give that a bit of a whiz before we add the softer fruits. Good. And then we'll add in the orange, and don't forget the 2 little ginger, orange, and the kiwi fruit. So mix away. Good. Now you want to make sure that's nice and smooth and consistent, so even give it a couple more pulses. Good, because the last thing you want is to have big clumps in your smoothie. Now this is going to be a good texture, hopefully. It is a little thick, but that's all good. Give it a bit of a wipe there. Grab a tea towel. There you have it. A wonderful fruit smoothie. Brilliant. I'll see you guys all next time. Bye bye for now.